today I am extremely excited and very curious because today I am showing you 5 tools that are not just cool to look at, but actually useful in real life. These can help you at home, at sports, at DIY projects, outdoor camping, and emergency situations. Links to all products are mentioned in the description below. Let's get started at number 5. Etenwolf P200 Pump. This is a mini electric ball pump with a digital pressure gauge, and it is so small you can fit it in your pocket. It has a 2000 mAh battery, so you can inflate multiple balls without worrying about power. It supports 10-watt PD fast charging, which means it gets ready quickly. It comes with 2 brass ball needles, and it inflates very fast with airflow of 5.5 liters per minute and maximum pressure up to 17 psi. This is perfect for basketball, volleyball, and football players who want perfect pressure and fast inflation. Number 4. Furniture Lifter Mover. This is a furniture lifter toolset that allows you to move heavy furniture without extra manpower. The wheels support up to 330 pounds, and the lifter can push up to 880 pounds. Just lift 0.2 inches and slide the wheels under. Perfect for sofas, beds, refrigerators, washing machines, dining tables, and more. The wheels are 360-degree rotatable, so you can shift direction smoothly. This is a perfect moving and cleaning helper. Number 3. Folding Drywall Saw. This is a 6-inch manual folding jab saw made with high-carbon steel. It has coarse teeth, 8 teeth per inch, and a safety lock. It folds compact and safe. This is perfect for DIYers who need to cut drywall and create holes for electrical, plumbing, or repair work. Lightweight, portable, and effective. Number 2. SOG PowerAccess Deluxe. This is a 21-in-1 tactical multi-tool for outdoor, survival, and camping. Stainless steel build, strong pliers, multiple blades, and useful tools in one body. Compact for pocket, but powerful enough for emergency situations, fixing gear, cutting ropes, adjusting equipment, and daily outdoor tasks. This is military-grade multi-tool trusted by many outdoor users. Number 1. EcoFlow River 3. This is a portable power station with pure sine wave inverter, 300-watt normal output, and up to 600-watt capability. It has MPPT controller, supports AC, solar, and car charging. Perfect for travel, camping, van life, power backup, emergency backup, and outdoor filming. LiFePO4 battery ensures long life and safety. This is the type of portable power bank that can power your essential electrical devices anywhere. That wraps up our list. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews and top picks. Until next time, take care.